it's time to finish this. We lost some people along the way. F in the chat for the people we lost. Alright. This is it. This is the end of the day. Hope everybody's studied up, ready to go. I did get word just an hour or so ago. I will be creating tests. We have some kinks to work out for how exactly we're going to get the test to you guys. But there will be tests over this material. And yeah. I guess I'll have to take down the quiz when we give you the tests. Because that would be weird. Anyways. Let's get started. I don't know what it is about saying let's get started and me yawning. But I feel like every video that I've said let's get started, I've immediately yawned. I don't know what's up with that. Somebody do an investigation on that. I say that like I have a bunch of viewers on this video and not just 2. Oh, okay. Let's get started. Alright. A conduit fitting that has been evaluated and listed to prevent the ingress of cutting fluids is marked. And I believe that one is actually Liquid-Tight. There it is. Right in the reading that you were given. Good job for the 43% of you that did the reading. Which NEC articles pertain to Liquid-Tight flexible metal conduit and Liquid-Tight flexible non-metallic conduit? Articles 350 and 356. This is a table of contents type question. I'm sure it's right here. 356. What is it? 350 and 356? Yeah. Alright, moving on. A connector body has a pre-installed insulator. This is one of those you could look and look and look, or you could hit Control F. Connector body. The threaded connector body with a pre-installed insulator all over it. Alright, the proper method. Yesterday I messed this question up. It's false. I misread. Like, I scrolled down and didn't read the full paragraph. Where is it? Where is it? Right here. I misread this paragraph, and I was like, yeah, it says it right there, so true. False. Hacksaw. They want you to use a hacksaw. That's the correct way to cut seal type, is a hacksaw. And it's not that much slower to use a hacksaw than to, cut it and then snip it. Y'all didn't see anything I did with my hands. Cut it and then snip it. In general, Liquid-Tight flexible non-metallic conduit should be suited. So, this is installation. We've covered this thoroughly all day. Installation is part 2 of the article. LFNC. Liquid-Tight flexible non-metallic conduit. Go to that section in the code book. Look at installation. There will be a spot for support. 36 inches. In general, misspelled liquid. It should not be used in lengths longer than 6 feet. I think there's a picture here somewhere. Here's a good example of where you're going to use that stuff. And 6 feet, longer than 6 feet just looks silly. Just get a box closer to where it's supposed to be. Oh, LFNC-C type. That's these fittings. It's a different. There's a bunch of different types of LFNC, and most of them the connector goes inside of the uh, conduit. LFNC, it goes on the outside. It connects on the outside. So you can't interchange them. Uh, yeah, you can't fix if they get out of if the ends of a conduit gets out of round, you can't fix it. You can get pretty close, but it's better to just cut it back and uh, make a new connection at the end, because this is the metallic conduit that we're talking about, because the conduit is used as a grounding path, and if it gets out of round, it's not making a good grounding connection. All right. So, with all of that said, we're done. I will be putting up. I'll put up the last one, or not the last one. I'll put up the end. So this is the overall. This is everything we've done today, all put into one quiz, and maybe some more stuff. I don't know. It shouldn't be, but it might be everything that we did today. It shouldn't be extra stuff. This year they removed a whole lesson from this section of material, so it might be in here, it might not be. But this is something for you to study. All right. Let's not shuffle the questions. Let's let you have more than one attempt. And there's the end. Study that as much as you want. I will see you in 2 weeks. Be looking out for an email from the school or some sort of communication from the school so that we can get you up to date with how the testing is going to be. There will definitely be something before y'all's next class that we're going to communicate with you about. So the two of you that are watching, you know about it. All right. You guys have a good 2 weeks. Stay safe. And I look forward to seeing y'all again.